Understanding the phrase, frown on, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. We'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, frown on. This is a common expression you might encounter in both spoken and written English. Understanding it will not only enhance your language skills but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's get started. Frown on is an idiomatic expression used to indicate disapproval or dislike towards a particular action, behavior, or idea. When someone says they frown on something, it means they don't approve of it. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in a somewhat formal or serious context. Understanding the origins of frown on can help us better grasp its meaning. The word frown literally refers to a facial expression of disapproval, furrowing one's brow in a way that shows unhappiness or concern. Over time, this physical expression of disapproval became metaphorical, leading to the idiomatic use of the phrase. To understand how frown on is used in context, let's look at some examples. 1. Many cultures frown on the idea of talking loudly in public places. 2. The company frowns on personal use of the office internet during work hours. 3. In professional settings, it's generally frowned upon to interrupt others while they are speaking. Notice how the phrase can be used both actively, someone frowns on something, and passively, it is frowned upon. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for frown on. Disapprove of, look askance at, take a dim view of. These phrases can be used interchangeably in many contexts. When using frown on, remember, it's more common in formal contexts. The phrase can imply a mild to strong level of disapproval, depending on the context. Be mindful of the tone it sets in your sentence, as it can convey a serious or disapproving mood. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of frown on in English. Remember, understanding idiomatic expressions like this one is a key step in becoming fluent and natural in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use frown on in your conversations or writings when appropriate. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.